Hello members, welcome back. Thank you for watching, thanks for learning, and thanks for subscribing. Thanks for calling in for inquiries, and hope to see you and hear from you more and more again. I'm Julius, still presenting to you these lessons, and this time we are going to look at rank. Remember, we are looking at the basic features, functions, and formulas in Excel or spreadsheet programs. Rank is used to find the rank or the position. To rank something from 1 to 10, from 10 to 1, like that. That is called to rank. So rank is basically used by schools or most institutions to find positions of, for example, students in a class. Example, you have 10 students, you want to know who is the first one, second one, third, like that. So the basic formula to use in Excel is called rank. So sit carefully, learn carefully, and don't forget this formula, because it is a very common formula that is usually brought in books, papers, and elsewhere, and you can even use it for your free time. Let me hope guess like if you go to school and they asked you to design for them something, so that means you'll have to learn this formula. So the formula is A equals rank value, comma, the values range, then what does it return? A false. So let us see how it works. So I'm going to still use my table here, which is the VLOOKUP table. We've so far done a lot of it. From it, we looked at the grading, which was the VLOOKUP. Then we looked at the selective selection or the multiple selection. We looked at the average, also multiple selection. We looked at the sum by getting the aggregate, summing up the values by selecting what we want. We also looked at comments, where we looked at the short if, which returns only 2 values. So now we want to look at rank. We want to find the position who was the best. So you can use it by either using average, you can position using total, or you can position using aggregates. But I would prefer this time, let me use total. Let me rank using my total. So this is the formula. Please be careful and try to copy and note this formula down. Sorry, I'm not fine. I have flu a bit, but hope we shall learn and learn more. So what I'll say here, I'll put my equal sign. That is in memory. I think every function or formula in Excel begins with an equal sign. So after there, I put my function statement, which is rank. So you want to rank. Which rank are you? Open your brackets. What do we want to rank? We want to rank using total. Then I put a comma. Always select the first figure in your table. So after there, by putting a comma, you select the range of your values. How many things am I ranking? It's okay. So here we have from here up to here. So we are ranking from here up to here. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 records. So comma, I would select this range. So it is from L3 to L10. So that's where I'm going to stop ranking from. Then comma, what do I want to return? Is it in descending order or ascending order? Let me put 0, which is I think false. I want it to return figures in descending order. That is from to appear from the one with the highest mark gets position number 1. The one with the lowest mark gets the last position. So if I use ascending order, I think it will return the one with the lowest mark being the first one and the one with the highest mark being the last one. So we are going to look at that, how it is. Then you close your brackets, and we don't want this range to change as we copy the formula. Remember what I told you, you also put this one in absolute reference. You just highlight or you just place your cursor in between the green values and you press F4, and even here you press F4, then you press enter, and we see. So I think we have seen. The moment you use 0, that means the person with the highest mark is given position number 1. So let us scroll down and see. I think you see the highest mark, and the person with the lowest mark gets the last position. So if a moment I change, let me try to put that formula here again, and I see. Let me say equals rank, open my brackets. What do I want to rank? I want to rank using total, comma, where is my ranking range? It is from here up to here. Then I put a comma. This time let me use ascending order, and we see. Let me use 1. Let me just type here 1. Then I close my brackets. Remember to put this one in absolute reference, which is this. We press F4, then here also F4, then I press enter. Are you seeing? It has now awarded the person with the highest mark with the last position. Have you seen? Now this one with the lowest marks with the highest position. So I think you have to note that. It depends. If a question comes, use ascending order to rank. That means you have to put it with 1. Then use descending order to find position. You have to use 0. But mostly, if you're going to rank, the basic or the default ranking range is 0, which is the descending order from the highest to the lowest. So let us repeat it one more time, because I had to to paste the formula down. We don't need this. I'll say equals rank, open my brackets. I want to rank here using total, comma, where is my range? So my range is beginning from here up to here. Are you getting me? Comma, I want it to be in descending order, so I put a 0. Then I close my brackets. Don't forget to put this one in absolute, then you press enter. So this is number 3. So after that, I'll just copy down my formula, and it all happens like magic. So that is rank. What you don't have to forget about rank is the last bit, which is a 0, then putting your ranking range in absolute reference. Let's get that formula in a better and bigger way. Here, let me copy it down, escape, let me just put it here, let me match. Then don't ask me why I begin with someone asked me why do I begin with a quotation with that sign. It's because I don't want that formula to be calculated. I want it to remain as a formula. Then I paste it, then I press enter. Don't you see? Now it has not been recognized as a formula because I began with a comma. Let us make it bigger. I think you see. So this is rank, my range, or my figure which I want to rank, which was total. The ranking range is this one here. That is from L3 in dollar signs, D in absolute, then comma, what do I want to return. Thanks for watching. Keep on practicing. Try to play around with these figures and see what happens. Thanks for watching. Call us for more, subscribe for more, and learn more. ICT is fun.